Hey you guys, it's me Podcast here. Welcome back to another video where today I'm playing Subway Surfer World Tour, and I don't care who World Tour. I mean that's the map that we're playing. Oh guys, okay. I don't have internet, so I just pause this video. Okay, welcome to my friends. Let's see. Hawaii, welcome to Hawaii. The world, oh gosh, it's kidding. The world tour, visit Hawaii, explore the fantastical island subway, improve your, sorry, my dad was just calling me, sorry. Improve your collection, unlock the playful new, include board, scroll big prizes. Oh, screw this, I don't like it. Okay, I know, okay. Get to, no, I'll get to later, okay. We just need to play the game. Da, 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 da. I remember when I was a little kid, I was beast at this game. I was the beast in school. I would beat everyone. I'll get the biggest high scores. Had that happened to you? Comment down below. I know. Only I think 4 people are going to comment, or maybe 2 or 1 because I have no subscribers, but I would just like to get 5. Only 1. If you hear me, subscribers, I have 4 subscribers. Can you just tell your friends to just subscribe to me? At least one of you guys. If you guys don't want your friends to subscribe because I'm a piece of crap, then don't tell them. I bet some other people are going to see and they're going to tell their friends. If not, I don't know. Just get. Oh, wow, such an idiot. Look, I could have had so much gold. Okay, now it's going kind of faster, so if you guys don't know this game, it's when the more time you're playing and security hadn't catch you, it goes more faster. What? No, 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 no. I went left. I went left. I went left. And then I went right, and then okay. Oh, boost. Oh, okay. I take out gold. Yeah, boy. Give me that money. And it's okay. Yeah, I don't have any Wi-Fi, so I can't see right now. This video does not have. I mean, while I'm recording this video, I don't have any Wi-Fi. Get the gold, get the gold, get the gold, get the gold. Have some fun, have some fun. Just get the gold, get the gold. It's a volcano. It's erupting. Actually, it's just, I don't know. It's boiling. It's boiling hot air. Oh, no. What? No, 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 no. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know, tricky. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna be here then. Oh yeah, I said that there's a new server. Mm, 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 mm. No. It's because the lag. Every time I record, you heard this in other videos. Every time when I record, it's so laggy. So laggy. Okay, I'm gonna use this now. Okay, you know how my voice sounds like a little kid? That's not how my voice sounds like. My voice is a little deeper. Okay? So don't say I'm a little kid, okay? I'm 10 years old. Okay, so don't say that I'm 7, 6. No, because the every time when I do video, not like videos that are private, mine they turn out like little kid's voice. It's not like that, but whatever. Okay, so we're collecting gold. We could try to, I don't know, we try to go fast. I'll do one, okay. Oh yes, gold. Depending when I'm going to stop. Oh look, Hawaiian nuts or whatever you call them. Double the money, double the money. Bark, 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 bark. Bark! Barkity bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Do one more. That's it, because I was going so fast. I guess I'll use this in the video. No. Oh yeah, I forgot I have 21. Oh my gosh, it's so hot in here. Screw this up. Beep, 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 boop, boop. Okay, so if anything happens bad, I can just use the subway. The surfboard. I should put like scooters and hoverboards. Wow. Okay, no, I'm doing one more. I'm doing one more. No. No, I don't want to buy you. I like the Hawaiian music. That's decent. Music makes me concentrate more. Oh, attack! Run away! I don't know how the fat security can catch up so fast with his dog. Bark, 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 bark. No dog, this is bark, 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 barkity, bark, 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 bark. Let's go, bark, bark, barkity, bark, 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 barkity, bark. Holy crap, you're not gonna trick me. Bark, 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 bark. Okay, that's annoying. So stop that. Oh my god, I hate your dog, dude. It's like bark, 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 bark. You like this? Bark, 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 bark. Oh gosh. You see? Okay. The surfboard. Yeah, boy. So if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. If you want more, if you want to watch videos like almost every day or sort of kind of every day, sometimes I'm busy, so whatever. So then subscribe, like. Okay, yeah. So remember to like, subscribe, turn on notification if you want to see more. Share. You can post it on YouTube. I don't care. And then share with your friends. I would like to get 5 subscribers. I'm almost there. Or 10. 5, 10. That's what I would like to get. So if you guys can share with your friends to say, oh, look at this guy, he's gonna subscribe. If not, whatever, I don't care. Because I bet one person's gonna do only. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. See ya. Bye bye.